We're back at Lizard Lick Towing on day 304, building a business, branding a podcast, and things aren't going as planned, but we're shooting some videos, having some fun. Follow along for the behind the scenes and see what we get into. That was a fun day. We got to get a lot of content shot for them. We got some content for us. If you're not already, make sure you go and subscribe to their YouTube channel, Lizard Lick Towing TV, and you'll get to see all the full videos from today and stuff they have coming in the future, stuff we've already posted. Make sure you're looking out for it. That's where their podcast is going to be playing. So follow their YouTube channel and make sure that you're subscribed to us as well. We need help growing our audience. If there's some sort of skits that you'd like to see us do with them or see them do, drop it in the comments down below. And like, follow, and subscribe to make sure you don't miss anything. See where we end up next. And as always, stay broke.